guys can see me. Why is it here? Okay. Dumelang, welcome back to All Things Bado. My name is Sipati Musi and this is my YouTube channel. If you're a returning Bumblebee, welcome back. And if you see me for the first time, hi, hello, and please do click that subscribe button to become a Bumblebee. I am back. Guys, I am back. I've been gone for an entire month. Oh, Sana. And it felt so good. I won't lie, it felt so good. Okay, I've been off social media, like I've been just in that peaceful moment, guys. Really, you know, I really needed that. But anyway, today it's it's a Friday. Yeah, it's a Friday, and I am going to the salon to get this hair of mine relaxed. I can't believe I have not relaxed my hair in 6 months. The last time I relaxed this hair was in August. Yeah, like September, October, November, December, January, February. 6 months, no cream relaxer. So today we're going to relax this hair because I am done being this girl. Like literally I've been enjoying my hair and it's been good, but now it needs to go. I need to go back to my relaxer because I can't. It's a lot. It's a lot. So yeah, it's currently about 9 to 10 and my appointment is at 10 o'clock, so we're gonna go. Currently waiting for my husband to come back. I don't know where he went. He just stepped out of the house right now. I don't know where he went, but he's gonna come back. He said 5 minutes he'll be back. So yeah, he's gonna come back and then he's gonna take me to the salon. And yeah, when you see me again, I'll be different. I'm wearing this dress. I think you know this dress, man. I love this dress, especially when I'm running like errands or just going more quick stop. I wear this dress. It's from my ladies, that black and white stripe, and then I'm wearing my slides, this one, my Edgar slides. Yeah, I abuse them. So I'm wearing them, and yeah, this is me, guys. I am back officially. Hala. Bumblebees, give it a saloon, right? I am done, and yeah, right now Kimo Ferdal, my husband just went inside game. Yeah, like a gamey or something, and then he's gonna come back, and then I think we're gonna go to Crazy Plastics. Yeah, we're gonna go to Crazy Plastics. Guys, I better get a shoe city today. Because I get a shoe city, I end up making bad decisions. You know, I buy shoes. I hope I got skin. It's just gonna pass by. I also want to go to Signature. I want a perfume. I also want a certain spray. I want concealer, mascara. But I'll see. And then I also want to go to Pep. I need to go to Discam as well. And I am so tired. I can't go to. My husband will pay for me. Because Salon, I did not take my wallet or my handbag. I just took my phone and my tripod. That's all I took with me. And now we are here. I cannot bag it. I cannot lip gloss. There's nothing that I have. I only have my phone, my tripod, and let me show you and what else. And this and the Wi-Fi. Other than that, I have nothing with me. And I don't want to pay using the app. I'm going to say to my husband, I don't have my card with me, but he knows that I don't have anything with me, so he's gonna pay for me. He's gonna pay for me. I love that for me. But anyway, guys, yeah, I just wanted to let you know that we are here to run a little bit of errands. I think I'm gonna do like a proper grocery shopping next week. Okay, I'm gonna do proper grocery next week because in case never like we are careful. Shop. Nope. No. Yeah, we're gonna do groceries next week. But anyway, let me wait for him. I give it to man. Calling me to say. Oh, by the way, I did my nails white. We're having white nails for the month of March, and a little bit of a pink like bowl. Guys, look at this. Hi, self-taught nail tech. Hello. But yeah, let me stop talking too much and wait for my husband. I don't know if I want to tie my hair or not, but no, I'm just gonna be this me. 30%.
Members only. You have to spend 1,000 rand. You don't remember.
I don't remember. I really remember. Kakapatamo. Kamadluzemo at Matamon. Bumblebees, we are back home, and I just want to show you the things that we got. Unfortunately, I couldn't take you with me because everywhere I tried to take you with me, it was so packed, so I stopped vlogging. I think I picked up my camera when I was at Econo, I'm not sure, and then yeah, that was the last time. So I'm just gonna show you the things that we got, like literally it's just the top ups because we still have other things. So yeah, first thing I'm gonna start okay, I'm just gonna start randomly. So we got the meat from Fauna Meat Market. Yes, we got the meat from Fauna Meat Market. Excuse the plastic noise, man. We've got pork. We've got some cheese grills. And then we've got wars. Yeah, that's the meat that we've got. I'm just gonna take it to the fridge on some done here. And then moving to Econo, I've got 2 chicken livers. I've got 2 of chicken livers. And then I decided to get the cheese. This time I got gout. They did not have the cheddar. But yeah, I got the cheese. And then I've got chicken head and feet. Maltuano. And then I'm gonna put this back. I've got prawns. Yeah, this is 800 gram, my favorite. I also got my other favorite. You have shells, like mussels. I've got them. Here they are. 400 gram as well. And yeah, this is all we got from. I'm just gonna put it there. And then we went to Metro. Yeah, we went to Metro. I've got stir fry. I love the Hawaiian stir fry. And then I also got this one. Harvest time. To the fridge as well. Okay, this one is gonna be the last one I'm gonna show you. Metro come, and then I've got dishwasher, jig, handy, and then I've got a lot of bar soaps. Yeah, I've got Lux, Securex, and Dettol. Yeah, and then I've got my perfect choice, like hair moisturizer. And then we've got some roll-ons. Getting these things, the freshener for the cars, they're already there. Air freshener for the cars. And then toothpaste, we got this one, the Colgate charcoal one, just the top up as well. And then that's it. Oh, we also got the African sauce, this one, the piri one. And then we also got this 2 getting body dog tissue oils. They're so good, trust me. They're really working. And yeah, what else? Oh, we also got oats, and then also a box of milk. And yeah, that's all we got from Metro. And then Crazy Plastics. Let me do this. Oh, Crazy Plastics, we got some tissues. We got 2 pack, the other one is there. So we got 2 pack of tissues. And also we went to Edmart to get okay. And also I got this from Crazy Plastics. I got myself some kitchen towels, kitchenware, 2 of them. I like the pink one. I'm like, why not? 2. And then I also got myself this dish. Ooh, I love it. I got myself this dish. It was 170. Yeah, it was 170. This one for crazy plastics. So yeah, that's all I got from Crazy Plastics. And then we went to this camp. I got myself my skincare. I got this one, the Garnier Even and Bright Vitamin C Face Scrub. I got this one. I normally buy that one, but necessary, so I ended up getting this one. And then I got myself Even and Bright Serum Cleanser Vitamin C, Brighton like a serum, blah, 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 blah. This one. Got this one for myself as well. And then I'm giving this lip gloss a chance. I don't know, the first time I used it, I did not like it, but I was like, you know what, today let me just buy it again. Instead of my lip therapy, I got this one for myself. It's the mango flavor. And then my husband got this one for himself. Is it jojoba jojoba, but just jojoba. Yeah, he got this one for himself as well, for my husband. And yeah, oh sorry, that's not all. If I forget, we also went to the factory to get yogurts. We've got 2 of them, honey flavor. Got 2 of them. And then I also wanted like a buttermilk in 2 liters, but they did not have, so I got 2 500 grams. So yeah, this is all I've got. And yeah guys, let me just pack everything away and charge my phone because battery's flat. And yeah, that's all for today, and I'll see you when I see you, like literally. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Guys, hi. Today is a Sunday. It's currently about 6 o'clock, and I am only now making dinner. Today on the menu we're going to have seafood pasta. I'm making seafood pasta, you know, entire speedy fail, like, you know, like literally. I've just been resting today, to be honest, and I'm sorry if you could hear the noises, the gate opening and closing, and also the kids are busy playing outside, so excuse the noise. So yeah, I thought, you know what, let me just cook with you for today. Yeah, I'm cooking with you, so woo! I'm just warming up my oil so that I can start with the pasta, but my spaghetti is cooking. And yeah guys, I got to work too much, you know, let's just continue this cooking. my bumblebees, good morning. It's a Wednesday. It's currently about 9:20 and I'm cleaning my kitchen cupboards, guys. I've already cleaned like one side already. Okay, Felice, and it's looking good, but I think I will show you the after cleaning the kitchen. I'm not gonna clean it with you today because I want to be quick because 2 o'clock I need to be somewhere. So by 1 I need to take my shower and everything. So I have 10, 11, 12. I have 3 hours to finish like cleaning the kitchen and cleaning the entire house. I have 3 hours. And I'm planning at least at 10:30 I should be done here in the kitchen. And now I'm washing my glasses. Even though they are clean, I am just washing my glasses and my mugs. You know the drill. However, you're gonna lay back. I'm not gonna vlog this entire thing with you. Yeah, I'm sorry. So yeah, I'm clinical fella vandaag. I'm gonna feel like and just to start this vlog. And the main reason and chancha. Guys, I thought it was like this size, like a smaller size, like size ekan, but it's a bigger one. So I think I might just go get the blue set. Yeah, it's the blue and a gray one set. Yeah, I think I might just go back and get another one for Becca because oh Sana, I love this material, by the way. I love this material of like the kitchen clothes and everything. But anyway, let me stop yapping and finish up doing my kitchen. Yeah, hope you're doing good. Let me continue.
You prey on my weakness, satisfying you while I keep bleeding. I don't know why you act like you innocent. You wanna take a piece of my heart again. I'll get you up, cause I just don't know. Something in your eyes, the way you stare me that I like. I wanna let you go, but it's like something knows me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like yellow. It hurts like yellow. You have to let me go. Yellow. It hurts like yellow. We tried too many times. You're misbehaving. You must not know me. You make me crazy. Kinda like Johnny. Don't sit down better. Making me lose my mind, cause I just don't know. Something in your eyes, the way you stare me that I like. I wanna let you go, but it's like something knows me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like yellow. It hurts like yellow. You have to let me go. Yellow. It hurts like yellow. We tried too many times. Ooh, you got me feeling cool. Ooh, you got me feeling blue. Something about you so see-through. Something just ain't right, but